Want to program a new or existing key fob for your 1998 to 2010 Lincoln Navigator? You can do it yourself and save money. These Navigators, based on the Ford Expedition, have a keyless entry system that's relatively easy to reprogram at home. Key fobs for these models control door locks, the rear hatch, and the panic alarm. You'll need your key and the key fob you want to program. Make sure you have fresh batteries for your key fob. CR2032 lithium batteries are commonly used. Aftermarket key fobs are widely available online, Amazon, eBay for $20 to $50. Before starting, make sure all doors are closed and unlocked. Note, the procedure may vary slightly depending on the exact model year. If you run into issues, disconnecting the vehicle battery can help reset the system, and remember to always prioritize safety and consider professional help for complex issues. First, insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. Do not start the engine. Next, press and hold the unlock button on the driver's side door panel for about 4 to 5 seconds. You should see the doors lock and unlock, indicating the vehicle has entered programming mode. Within 10 seconds of the doors cycling, press both the lock and unlock buttons on your key fob simultaneously, then release. Repeat step 3 for any additional key fobs you want to program, up to a maximum of 4. Finally, turn the ignition off to exit programming mode, remove the key, and test each key fob to ensure they are working correctly. If the programming fails, double-check the fob's battery and repeat the steps, carefully ensuring you follow each one exactly. If issues persist, consult your owner's manual or seek professional assistance. For some 2007 to 2010 models, the exact procedure may vary, so consult your owner's manual or specific online forums for your model year.